Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Garage. Literally just dropped off the Tesla. You saw that video. And now I got the call from my friends, my detailers. You'll meet them momentarily. That my other vehicle's ready. Told you it would be a surprise. Don't want to say it yet. Let's go check it out. Oof, look at this setup. One of them's mine. See if you guys, well, if you're a member of the channel, you already know because the picture's up on the YouTube channel. And these are sexy. C8's mine. Hey everybody, today is the day I finally get to pick up my baby. You haven't seen it on the channel yet, but check this bad Larry out. This is my C8 2020. It's for the Corvette people. It's a 1LT. It's the only one that was available in New England, which is why I have it. But I haven't had it for months because, let me show you. So this is the damage that was incurred when I was at a baseball game. Parents with your teenagers, please don't let them crash into Corvettes because this stuff happens. $10,000 in damage later, here we are, and I'm picking it up today. And I'm gonna show you guys the people responsible for making it look like that again. Check it out. So I'm at Brad's Auto Reconditioning. They are the official detailer of the Freedom Garage channel. And this is my friend Aubrey. If you call, you'll be talking to her. Miss Aubrey, tell folks what you did to this beautiful car.
Yeah, of course. So basically when it first came in, right after Jared got it, we did do what is called our Fine Lab self-healing coating, and they're awesome. The Fine Lab self-healing coatings, they're the best on the market right now. They do exactly what I am saying, self-healing. So they're 80% self-healing, which means, you know, minor marring, wash swirls, the stuff that you don't want to get. And obviously the orange is a little bit more forgiving than, say, black paint, but it does exactly that. So it has an active ceramic backbone polymer matrix that basically, when it's heat activated, so on a day like today where it's, you know, very warm, at least 80 degrees, what it's gonna do is it's going to heat activate that backbone, and it ends up self-leveling, which is awesome because, like I said, those wash swirls, those minor marring, they self-level and they disappear, and you end up not seeing them. So unlike other basic ceramic coatings, you know, they don't end up self-healing and you end up seeing the minor marring, you end up still seeing the wash swirls. This doesn't. So it's an amazing coating. When Jared came back in, obviously with the self-healing coatings, they have to be done in certain steps. So where regular coatings you can just apply right back to your clear coat, you can't do that with a self-healing coating. It has to go from primer to the self-leveling aid, and then to the coating. So we had to strip the entire vehicle's coating off of it. Made Jared a little bit nervous, but as you can see, it looks pristine again. And that included us redoing the stripes as well. The coatings are so strong that they can't go over any kind of vinyl stripe. They will eat right through it. So we stripped that all off. We did do a complete wet stand on it, very light wet stand. Did that, then we got right back into buffing again. We rebuffed the entire vehicle. We did a 2-stage paint correction. And after that, we then went back to the regular process of, you know, adding the primer, the self-leveling aid, and the coating. So, you know, it looks great. Like I said, it's one of the best coatings on the market right now. You won't find something stronger or glossier than this. And it's a 7-year coating, guaranteed for 7 years. will last longer, you know what I mean? Especially because this isn't, even though we live in New England, this isn't gonna really see any winter. So, Jared's like, no way.
It very rarely sees rain.
I know. He's very meticulous about his vehicles. We also did the wheels. We dismounted the wheels, ceramic coated the calipers, the wheels, the barrels, everything. You know, we just went through and kind of, you know, fine-tune the entire vehicle. So yeah, that's what we do here.
Cool. So if somebody were interested in coming down, what services do you guys provide?
Yeah, we do everything from, and I don't like to call it basic detailing because you'll never get anything basic here. Even your interiors, we take about 5.5 hours to do on each interior. So we do window tint, we can change the color of your wheels. We, like I said, specialize in ceramic coatings, paint correction. You name it, we offer it. The only thing we wouldn't do is undercoatings just because, you know, you can't have that kind of contamination at all. You know, before they're even applying a coating, this whole floor has to get completely, you know, wiped down. Everything gets wiped down. We have like a little mini Zamboni that we kind of drive around. Because contaminants, you can't get those underneath the coatings,
right.
You know? Don't use those detailers that say they can come to your house and do it outside.
Yeah, and don't use the ones that the car dealerships tell you should use because they want you to spend extra money. I made that mistake with the dealer, who I love the dealer. I fell in love with the car and wanted to protect it. It wasn't a ceramic coat. It wasn't even a coating. It was like a... What it is
and not to knock dealerships, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, they need to make their money and their profit margin has to be high enough. So it's like a $20 bottle and it's literally a silica spray. It's nothing. And you might as well just spray wax. And of course they give you a 5-year warranty because you come back in, what do they care?
Right.
You know?
So if somebody's watching this, they want to have something done to their baby, how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, so we're located, like I said, we're right here in New England. We're in Northbridge, Massachusetts. So 146 or 495 you can take. And you can give us a call, 508-901-0635. We're at bradsautoreconditioning.com. And you can see all of our services website, and you'll either speak to myself, Aubrey, or my husband, Brad, and we both are the owners. And like I said, we've been doing this for about 16 years now, so very knowledgeable, and it's what we love.
Awesome. Now, I'll tell you one thing. I didn't tell her I was going to say this. For the people who follow my channels, you know that I am very, very particular with who I deal with. I will vouch for Aubrey and Brad. Fantastic people. I wouldn't let anybody work on this other than them. And because I know they're such solid people, I wanted them on this channel, on this video, so that you all can realize that there are solid people out there doing solid work. So support those who support you. I'll have links to all their stuff down in the description. You'll see it on the social media, so get a hold of them and take care of your car. All right, Aubrey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jared. Nice to meet you guys.
Take care, y'all.